Yeah. Yeah, good afternoon, you fucking jerk-offs. If you're listening to this, that means that the Yankees have demolished the Dead Sox and are now in sole possession of the #1 slot in the American League East, which means that they are rolling to the World Series. And if you don't believe me, you can go blow your uncle.
You tell him, Sal.
That's right. All right? And listen to me. Just because I'm on my 5th Jameson shot doesn't mean I don't have very vast sports knowledge.
27 rings, bro.
That's right. Tell him, Sal. Listen, we're both named Sal, but that's because our mama named us Sal.
Good Italians. I love her. She made the best sauce.
Oh, the nana sauce was amazing. And the meatballs, oh, my God.
Hey, no lumps. No lumps.
Oh, none at all. It's the ragu, the good was, oh, my God, with the mana good.
The secret, you know what her secret for the good sauce was? She bought it from the market the blacks go to.
Yeah, they go. It's called Food Bazaar over there on 174th Street.
How bizarre.
Hey, it's very bizarre. But listen to me. You listen to episode 115 of the Bodega Boys podcast, all right? It's 115.
I believe.
It's actually,
how many fucking Jamesons you have?
Whoa, it's
116.
Hey, give me,
it's 116, like J-Lo. Like J-Lo. On the 6.
On the 6. We're on the 6. Hey, get this fucking Trey Jameson away from me. It's making me lose my fucking mind. Hey, listen. Enjoy the fucking show, you ball bags, and enjoy the Yankees being in first place and crushing your dreams for the rest of the year.
Let's go, Yankees.
Live from Red Bull Studios, New York.
That's Bill. Episode 116.
Yeah.
Wow.
Niggas be roasting Bill for his jeans, boy.
You know what I'm saying?
Yo,
listen, when you get
take a picture of that nigga, bro.
When you get to a certain level of money, you don't care what people think about your jeans. You just like a dickhead to be like, what do you know about you poor?
Say
something. These jeans are worth. These jeans cost the price of the house your mother raised you in. Get out of here.
I got these shits at Kohl's, nigga.
116. We coming to you from Red Bull Studios, 220 West 18th Street. And of course, Mero is sipping on the new flavor of Red Bull. It's called purple. All right? So you go see Pop. He said, give me that purple.
Yo, let me get that purple, B.
And if you live in a bad neighborhood, he's going to be like, chill, because you got to reach behind the counter because they got the Red Bull locked up with the Infamil. That says more about your community than it does anything about Red Bull.
That's right.
However,
you know what I'm saying?
You know what it is. Bodega Boys. Most of those dangerous podcasts in the world.
Episode 116.
You know what it is.
The closer we get into the 116s, the more I feel like we should be shooting dope at every episode.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
At Marcus Garvey Park.
Wait till for episode 125, we're just gonna do a live podcast on the corner of Lenox and 125. Just do like dips on the pull-ups and shit.
Yeah, so no shirt on.
Until some white person that moved to Harlem calls the cops on us.
Excuse me, I see.
That's not equipment.
Yeah.
That's not workout equipment.
This is not a designated calisthenics zone.
Excuse me, are those gloves for construction or for working out? Yeah. Sorry, bub.
Sorry.
Sorry, Buster. I already called the cops.
Yeah. So
if
they're
you hear
on their way
Buster,
here.
you're fucked.
It's over.
You're done. You're done. Yo, it's your boy Desus Nights, aka Young Chipotle, aka Pocket Stay Fat like Cheerio, aka Chris Dash Whistling, aka Eli Lippy, Butchers Bleak Sully. Somebody that might know you, bitch. Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego. I removed the AKA, so I had to add an AKA. True fans know what I dropped. Mr. Nando's Rodando, 1994, Mikhail going off, MC Local Gunga P, pulling up for 40, which is shorty, AKA don't talk to me in the Uber pool. My God, how many times do I gotta tell you?
My God, please.
Also, it's like 90 degrees, my nigga. Like, I don't know, like, what country you come from, but 2 words for you. Deodorant.
Come on, please.
My original +1 got a +1, so don't make a fuss.
No.
Wow. Jesus, Rossi, the Jamaican Jew. You know what I'm saying? Is any holidays coming up?
It's a beautiful thing. I think one of them is there. Shoshana.
Sounds good. Jermaine Avocados, Young Pop, the Ghost of Mufasi, Yo Chakuni, without the Kuni, a.k.a. Chili Limon, left-handed reliever for the Yankees, Corey Loke. Hey, yesterday at CC Sabathia charity event, I just seen the Bodega Boys. They both play left field.
Yeah.
How? The brand's so strong, they're breaking MLB rules.
It was cool.
It was cool. You know what I'm saying? Vice K. Makuzaka, 2 phone doors, DJ Machina, J. Chuckle, Stanley Cups, the Human Dr. Bond label, dilute. Leonardo the Trappio. Mr. 240 P's like my Pinot Blurry. DJ Wooler, a.k.a. Listener, Watch FM. Up next, we got 4 hours of The Mountain Brothers. Whoa. Yeah. All my nerds just geeked out like, wow.
Wow, he knows about them.
The Curry Gold, DJ Spicer, Jamal Haspin, the Bronx, Celine Dion, Ray Nephew's nephew, the Moreno you cannot contain, the human memory, word to jaw, young Aaron, the racer provocateur, Henrik Budquest. Yes. I'm on Quetford Boat, get it? Nelson Bagdella, Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Buffin. The human word is melting in your mouth. Mr. Bex on Decatan, Ricky Tiki Squad, Greg Popovich. That's right. Yeah, more say what you said. Mahatma Gandhi, not Maccabee, but I got that cool comment. Juices suppressed, but your boy never is. I am the hard, damn it. The $10 Ganoose, no more cup of noodles. Hey, the Fashion Over Cash Nova. For you make cents, 5 cents, 10 cent dollar. Forget the
wait on.
big money.
Yeah, big up.
the only anthem I salute is Dipset.
That's right.
Mr. Saga, catch me at square one, top left. Man,
Don't cheese me, bro.
You heard the new Drake? It slaps. Chill Rizzuto. Holy cow. Mr. South Park, all I do is count checks and jerk off. We got OJ, Purple Stuff Soda, and it's me, Sonny D.
Hey.
I jump from behind the baking soda like, hey.
Yo, what up?
You're like, oh shit, because you're mad smack. Like,
Yeah.
Somebody's living in my fridge.
She got the baking soda and the coffee pot in one hand. Like,
Yo, what's up?
We getting
what's up?
cracking?
We go. I got a block right now.
Yo, I'm saying we whipping up.
What's up? Take your shirt off. Make it more official. David Yurman. These expenses. Bloody shows. So Keem Noah, Andrew Coonan. Yeah. AKA the Junior and the G Gods. Come sit down, pop me challenge.
Sit down, put it.
Call me Petco because I got your bitch on freeze. Hey! I'm the topic of gossip and sayasset. Yeah, that's my new AKA. I saw these on the LIWR. I thought he had more.
Oh, hey, damn. I thought he was going to
Mr. Chopping that 3Ds with a bad breeze like I'm Yeezy, please believe me. The black Asian addict who'll crack your back like an automatic craftmatic. Mr. Lamarina, Mesmerina, a fresh misdemeanor, a cold demeanor, aka your problematic babe. Yeah. Use all your sick days early on in the summer to call out of work.
That's right.
Yeah.
Get that dick.
Yeah.
That early summer dick.
Summer deals.
You know what I'm saying? Before you turn the AC on, and you are sweating and shit, you got to take a shower after. And then you're like, damn, you don't look that great in the shower.
Or that nasty sex where you're like hunching away and then the sweat drips off of you onto her face. And she's like, ew.
She's like, ew, to my eyes,
eye burns.
Ow.
Why don't you drink more water? Why is your sweat so acidic?
Ow.
It's like vinegar.
Yo, your tail just lit on fire halfway to my face. What happened?
Oh, shit.
Damn, it's just mad flammables. Yo, it's your boy, the Kid Mero, a.k.a. the Human Direct Flap, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Chiriz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Skirt Loader. I have to curve, hit your dog, nigga, keep it moving, don't give a fuck. Nigga, go beat it, I don't care. A.k.a. I don't fucking baby, I fucking man, my nigga.
Man.
You know what I'm saying? And I'm old enough to drink. A.k.a. no need to check this, a guest. No need to check the motherfucking guesses, nigga. I am the guesses. You see this, on my chain nuclear. You know what I'm saying? I'm speaking into existence. It's on my mood board. It's on my vision board, nigga. It's on my bulletin board. It's on all my boards. A.k.a. CC Dab Bathia.
Damn.
A.k.a. I'm going to Legoland for a fucking week with my kids, and I don't care how much it costs. If these niggas want to step on Legos, I'm going to provide that experience for them. You know why, nigga? Because I'm the fucking dad of the year, a.k.a. Ben Smack Me Elbow, a.k.a. Diego Merodana. You know what I'm saying? El futbolista más bacano. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Dick in your bin Mutombo. You know, come with this pussy no more. This pussy belong to me, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? We win the World Cup, and I win your girl pussy, my nigga. That's straight up. A.k.a. Barlow Santana, so smooth, I fall asleep at the wheel and crash in the Red Bull.
Sir, are you asleep in it?
Yeah,
sir?
yes. So, I'm sorry. Sir, no, put the stick on the window.
It's a red light. It's a red light.
I'm sorry, my bad. Okay, sorry.
Out like,
A.k.a. the Dominican dad attack daddy, a.k.a. swipe my card again. There's definitely money on it, man. Put the plastic bag on that shit. You're embarrassing us both, man. Come on, man. This isn't even Marcus, dog. You know what I'm saying? You know what time it is, boys. Only big ballers in here, man. Stop playing. A.k.a. Romeo Santos. So, Zanny, let me black out. Zanny. Yo, I'm performing at Food Bazaar today. I'm going to kiss your girl on the mouth and your mom, too, at the same time, and you're not going to do shit because you mad pussy. That's right. I dare you, nigga.
Romeo Santos, suck your bitch.
Yeah. He probably did. That nigga's like the Spanish Smokey Robinson and shit. Like,
you gotta tuck your girl in like a chain. Like, oh shit.
Oh shit, chill.
Shit, Romeo's coming.
Oh shit, that nigga got the brush boots on. Chill. A.k.a. Light Now Dutchie. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes. That you broke ass ain't got five.
Don't got five.
Yo, you do not got five in 2018, nigga. Stay your ass home and play your PlayStation 2, nigga. I heard Twisted Metal is a fun game to play. A.k.a. Tom Brady, your girl got my balls deflated. A.k.a. Phil the Ass Tyson. I'm gonna explore your cosmos, man. I was told not to explore the discharge, you know what I'm saying, because it's not normal. So I'm gonna just explore the clear fluids that come out of the, you know what I'm saying, nebulous area in between your fertile crescent. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Fight on Messi MVP of Gelato, even though niggas is taking that L. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Daniel Benfield. I gotta get some sticks. A.k.a. Joe Hookah. I dare you to smoke with me.
He dares you.
At Mama Sushi. And I want you to see the glow up. P.O. used to replace hookah coals at Mama Sushi, and now he was on the grand finale of the #1 show on late night. Ladies and gentlemen, the globe is real. A.k.a. Ben Boston. My hands are gifted. I will replace your wretched, ungrateful mouth with a $10 bill so you can order Showtime a la carte, you broke boy. I'm paying $30,000 for plates and you can't pay $5 a month for video antidepressants? My mind just can't comprehend, and I'm a motherfucking neurosurgeon. God damn it. Okay, I open your motherfucking medicine cabinet. You know who it is, boy. It's the Zen Man. It's gonna be aka Rico Sabroso, aka Baby Newport, aka Nino Brown. Shut the car down, aka live from Food Bazaar, where you get a free 20-pound bag of Carolina rice with a purchase of $100 or more. The East Tremont Stevie B, performing all his hits like I Wanna Be the One Your TT is Sucking and Dope Sick Love. Come back to me. Mommy, come here, mommy, please. Yo, people find out.
Sorry, I was looking for the Spanish rice. Which aisle is it?
Mommy, this is Food Bazaar. Every aisle is the Spanish rice aisle. Come on.
I just moved here.
Act like you've been here before, Caitlin. Come on. What the fuck?
Do you work here, or are you just shooting up dope?
No, I'm just shooting up dope. But, you know, I put down sometimes. I put cardboard on the floor when it snows. They tell me to do that. And that's a good thing that I do, you know.
They work there, but don't really work there?
AKA, straight from across the pond, mate, I've come to tell you that the only true rock stars left are the Bodega Boys. You know what I'm saying? I'm retiring from the game. You know what I'm saying? It's the plantains you've been over in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont. You can tell I gave up on life because I'm doing songs with Little Pump. AKA, pulling up from 40 is your boy, Barmelos Anthony. For 3, bang! We're out here. If you see me at Target eating a Pizza Hut personal pan pizza in one bite, don't judge me, my nigga. I'm smacked. Also, approach me like a motherfucking Ursa mammal because I will kill you with my claws, B. It's not a game. AKA, I sold Fake Lee's, your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's high off Toilet Duck and some kids talking about I fly like a dragon, I fly like a cabin, I fly like a mansion. Nigga, that shit don't even make fucking sense. Niggas need to go back to fucking school, man. Hasan, tírame la pita, coño, que me cojoné. Que fue, dime a ver, llegó el ejército de FIFA, coño, más duro, más frío, más loco todo, el incapiable. Somos millonarios, somos millonarios. When I crash your Maserati on Route 4, nigga, don't ask why. You know what I'm saying? Episode 116, nigga, let's get it.
Let's get it.
You know what I'm saying?
Yo, shout out, you know, not rest in peace, but, you know, end of the era. We ended when you listen to this Monday. So guess what? At 11 p.m., your heart's gonna break when you turn the device in, and I don't know what they showing. Cool Running.
It's always sunny in Philadelphia.
Ain't us no more. No more Desus and Mero.
This is the white version of MTV2 shit. They were like, yo, let's just buy every episode of this white sitcom.
Yes. End of era. Great number one show in late night. Went out on
a very high note.
High note, number one still.
A literal high note because we smoked weed for the first time on camera.
Niggas smizzag.
You know what I'm saying? They edited that out, but it's all good.
Somebody tweeted about that, though. It must have been online or some shit. Because, hey, you know what I'm saying? Niggas blessed the room.
Yeah, I mean.
But yeah, on the bigger and better things, you know, moving the show to Showtime. Showtime! You know, it's the first time in your life you're going to get excited when you hear the word Showtime.
Yeah.
You roll your eyes.
Yeah, but you're still going to get kicked in the head.
That's right. What if
with this knowledge?
Our Showtime show is just us doing dancing Showtime dances on trains and
yes.
shit. Mad washed.
You know
Keep injuring ourselves.
Fuck that.
It's going to be like, I'm going to try to do that shit where you pretend to hit the roof, but I really hit the roof. Be like, coño! My eye socket!
Oh, fuck!
You're going to be like, move over. He needs space.
Sure, he's okay.
I'm going to go all bloody, like trying to sit on the floor.
Nah, he's fine.
Oh, Spanish lady fanning me with her, like, a magazine and shit.
No, papi, he's not okay, papi. No.
Take me to the hospital.
She's fanning you with the watchtower and shit.
Like, can I tell you about Jehovah? I'm like, no, not right now, auntie.
No, please.
Stop.
How many of you is there? I can't see right.
144,000? Oh, no. Yo, shout out to Dame Dash out here loaning niggas money.
Yo.
This nigga lend.
Yo.
Loaned?
Yeah, loaned.
Loaned, whatever.
Lean 2 million.
Lent.
Oh.
Like the Christian holiday.
Yeah, okay.
Savages.
Oh, shit. Shout to boarding school.
Shout to
grammar.
We were Episcopalian.
Lee Daniels $2 million.
$2 million. And then pressed the nigga while the nigga was wearing a shawl.
No, it's not even. People are like, yo, David Dash pressed Lee Daniels. Like, nigga. I'll press everything. I'll press all your kids. You owe me $2 million. Now when your kids coming out the daycare, I'll be like, what's your fucking father at?
Yo.
Send your kids home roughed up. Like, yo,
$2 million is a lot of money.
That's so much money. It's like it's beyond get a nigga killed money because it's too big.
Yeah.
You can't. If someone owes you $2 million and they die, the cops coming right to you. Like,
right to you, like, oh, sir. This guy.
What's the range for get someone killed money? I guess like
$500,000. So, I mean, I won't tip. I feel like that won't tip. I
was gonna say $2,000, but all right, rich boy over here.
I mean, no, without raising red flags. You know what I'm saying?
I mean, you just gotta know who to go to, baby. You know what I'm saying? Can't be on angieslist.com talking about need a murderer,
hitman for hire.
Hi, are you licensed? It's like, why are you asking all these questions? What's up?
I'm not
I'm licensed Paramus.
I'm not licensed. I'm silenced. Like, what's up? You know what I mean?
Do they have an Angie's List for hitmen?
They should.
I feel, it's very hard to find a hitman. If you're not plugged in, you don't know niggas in the hood. Because then if you do like a Google search, like, who will murder someone for me? Like, the cops going to put that in court.
Yeah.
On a big screen and shit.
And they show you typing in mad slow, like, who
will. That gif where the guy's like,
murder. Oh, shit, that's
like rubbing his hands together, like
Monta Ellis.
Yeah, like, what am I gonna do? Oh, man.
Damn. I don't know if I could. Should I do it myself? I mean, nah, I can't, right?
Oh, man.
Damn, dog.
Niggas start watching mad TED Talks and shit.
You go to Home Depot and be like, yo, Julio.
What's up? What you do? What time you get off work?
I know you do roofing and shit, but do you also do murder?
It's like, you know how you go to Home Depot and it's just like pick up the day laborers in the parking lot?
Exactly.
You're like, who does roofing and light homicide? Like 3 people put their hands up. I'm like, you, and you. Get in the back and pick up. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go take a ditch.
And make Coronas you want. Oh, man.
Give me a gallon of Poland Spring, a 6-pack of Coronas, and $100.
There you go.
They'll bury your body.
And you guys can watch the World Cup while you're working. They're like, Mexico doesn't play today. I'm like, it's still the World Cup. All right? Enjoy Romania versus arugula. Okay.
Arugula? All right, bet.
Cool.
That's cool. I got arugula in the under.
Now, shout out to all my day laborers that be in a Home Depot parking lot, which I don't understand. Like, they be working their asses off. You get like 5 of them, they'll build a fucking house and shit.
Fam.
They be working in the sun, but
I have never gotten any type of housework help that has not been from a Home Depot parking lot.
Listen,
like,
and the thing is, those are the people who was like, yo, they're taking our jobs. I never see no white people out there.
No.
You know, I know. Maybe an Albanian. Maybe an Albanian.
Maybe.
That's a cheat code, but nah.
Maybe. Fam.
It'd be Albanian. It's like Mexicans, Albanians, and like Jamaicans. Like, yo. But Jamaicans be having an attitude, tell you buy better tools and shit. I can't ever get Jamaican workers because they go from being like a worker to like my uncle. Like, then they be asking me to help out and shit. I'm like, nigga, I'm paying you.
Yo, come on this.
Yeah, get the bag.
You get the bag.
Back up the trigs over there.
It's a 50-pound bag of concrete. Bring it up. Bring it here.
I hired you.
Bring it here. Bring it here.
Why you gotta bring the bag to? Wait, I'm gonna go lay down in this air conditioning.
Oh, you talk. Why you talk?
But you know, we're not related.
You talk a little spicy.
Ow!
Me, huh?
Just pop me the eye. Sir!
I call you father.
Oh, shit. They all know my father. They all come on the speed dial. Like, all right.
Yeah, your son over
Your
here,
son?
you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, can little, you know. Little fussy man, you know.
Excuse me? Excuse me? Excuse me?
He's gonna know like.
I'm like, you know what? I don't need to deal with this. I go back in the living room, turn up the Sex in the City, like, doing a little Uzi dance and shit. The shimmy all tight. This nigga think I'm a Fosse.
This nigga think I'm with the leather jacket with nothing under. Like,
ooh. He's just watching me through the window, like.
Niggas taking pictures with clamshell phone. It's under your dad. They're like, yo, what is it? That's like,
mad blurry.
Is this Pitfall, nigga? What is this?
I don't know.
Super Mario 1?
The Drake vocals came in.
The Drake vocals came in, yeah.
Drake dropped a new album. He confirmed he has a child.
Yes.
And he tried to clean up with this line. I wasn't hiding my kid from the world. I was hiding the world from my kid.
Oh, okay.
Nah, nigga, nah.
Michael Jackson gave him that out.
Yeah.
Michael Jackson gave him that out.
You know what I'm saying?
Blanket.
What if Drake starts walking around with his kid covered?
Covered like a blanket? Like, no.
You're like an OVO blanket?
You're ignorant. Stop. Nigga got him an OVO dust bag for the kicks. No, stop.
Shit.
What's the kid's name? Do we know the kid's name?
Barrington.
No,
it's Adon or Adon?
Yo, judging by his like latest ethnicities, it should be something like
Jamaican.
But Barrington Aneldi.
You feed his kid mad like porridge and like mofongo in the morning and shit.
Barrington Aneldi, like Baker.
I'll send you to the islands. The kid's like, which one?
Huh?
DR, Jamaica, Nova Scotia.
Haiti, which one? Huh?
The album is, you know, the thing is, the album you definitely hear. It's like, I'm trying to think what's a wash reference. It's basically, what's an example? Someone got under someone's skin and they never recovered, like in sports.
In sports?
Yeah, like somebody was never the same after like one incident. Oh, you know what it is? Chuck Knoblauch? No. This album, Pusha T is the pitch count on Drake's Johan Santana no-hitter.
Oh yeah, that was it.
That's it.
Yo, Johan
never the
Santana,
same after. Never the same afterwards.
Shout out to him. I mean, not even a Mets fan, but that nigga sacrificed his entire
that
arm
nigga died on the mound
for that one no hitter.
First one in Mets history, though, right?
Yes, that's what it was. He wanted that. He wanted that, and I mean, was it worth it?
I mean, that was around the same time that Joel Santana had dropped that Santana song, so it was like it coincided perfectly.
Yeah. Oof. Damn.
Yo.
He's the only Mets pitcher to ever throw a no-hitter.
You know what I'm saying?
Wow.
Yo, by the way.
They were calling him Nohan.
Nohan. Yeah, okay. All right. Yeah, it's a little too close to Noma.
Noma! Yeah.
Noma. We love you, Noma.
For that, he got a key to the city from Michael Bloomberg.
Wow.
It was like, this is not an actual key to anything. Get out of here.
Get out of here.
Get out of my mansion.
Get out of here, you jerk. I'm still tweaking on the fact we have Mike Surprise on the TV.
That's ridiculous. Bro.
Like, and we were really talking sports, and he was dead ass. Like
he was dead ass. Like it was like a sports radio. Sports radio, 66, WFA, yeah. Mike's on. Get it? Mike's on.
Yeah.
The mic is on, and Mike is on.
Mike is on.
Double entendre. Don't even ask me how. Give me another. He was like, I don't even fuck with Diet Coke like that.
Yeah.
I'm like,
but I told him the Coke Zero shit. You just see the indignance on his face? He's like, Coke Zero's disgusting.
What? He said
it's a gutless move.
He said he's never been to Stu Leonard's.
Yeah, and that's another thing. I was like,
what?
He's like, I live in Long Island. Why would I go to Stu Leonard's?
I'm like, is that like the Bow Wow got like, attacked by his bodyguard story of like white sports radio? Urban legend. Michael Cage is spreading it in like a locker room somewhere.
He's like, hey, guess what, guys? I don't drink soup, but also my princess lives in Stu Leonard's. They're like, what?
Like, what?
Mike, why are you such a hater, bro?
Why you a hater, Mike?
Yo, they should, not for nothing, they should give Michael Cage spot to Mike Francesa. I would much rather hear Mike Francesa calling Yankee games than Michael K.
I don't want to go that far. I love hey, Mike, we love you. First time, long time. I don't know. Because he'll just go rambling off for some shit, and you'll be like, yo, was that an infield fly? Like, nigga hit a walk-off homer, and he's like, that's gutless the way they park the cars outside. What are these little cars here?
$20 to park in the stadium? That's a rip-off.
I feel like a gorilla.
God's a gorilla.
I got a Lobo steak. It was cold. Who's in charge of the steaks at Yankee Stadium? It's like an 0-3 pitch, like the bases are loaded, bottom of the ninth. He's like doing no kind of stats and shit.
Truffle fries, that's not American.
Who eats garlic fries? Who eats garlic fries at Yankees? Oh wow, game is over. Yankees lost.
10-2 is your final.
You're in your car. You're like, what? What? The judge was up. What happened?
This nigga just went on a 4-hour rant.
And another thing, they don't give you another condiment. I'm like,
oh my God. How am I supposed to put all this, look at all this pretzel in a tiny packet of mustard?
If Hideki Matsui's no longer on the Yankees, why do they still serve sushi? And you're like, wow. It's like the on holders in WFAN.
He's like, yeah, well, it was cool when Godzilla was there, but not anymore.
We're experiencing technical difficulties. How come they don't have more Dominican food at the stadium?
That's a great question.
Do you know what? You should set up a little stand. You and your wife could set up a Dominican. What's the Dominican cuisine? Like
a little hamantasha and a little pastelito with some prune in it, maybe? I don't know. Gefilte fish pastelitos?
Oh, yeah. I like that. Little smoked herring pastelitos with raisins. Yeah. We'll smear a little lox on that.
You know what I'm saying?
Everyone's like, yo, why does that kiosk stink?
Speaking of that.
Let me come back to the seats on a 90-degree day with a big thing of smoked herring. You're just washing it down with a beer. Like, let's go Yankees.
The sun is shining directly on this shit. Like making
the whole stadium's like, oh, what is that?
Oh, God.
Could you pass your order? Like, I get the pickled herring. Yeah?
Yeah.
You know what? Four?
Yeah.
Four,
can you do me a favor? Microwave them first?
I got to show ID. Send the 4 IDs down. Oh. Yo, shout out to my Democratic Socialists. Shout out to Alexandria
Ocasio-Cortez,
who defeated. Apparently the guy wasn't so bad, but he was like an incumbent.
Yeah. But it's just like an old white dude, bro. That's like
Joseph Crowley.
No.
Got him out the paint.
You know what I'm saying? Get him out of here.
And she's from the BX, so shout out to her.
Shout out to her, you know what I'm saying?
Be excellent. See, you can rise to greatness.
You know what I mean?
Good to have good stories in the Bronx.
Strong young, you know what I'm saying, woman out there doing her thing. Woman of color out here rising up. Respect. You know what I'm saying? Big ups to you.
Big ups to my
You know
youth
what I
them
mean?
there. Anyone playing in the World Cup today? Who's
No games today.
no games today?
Terrible hangover.
Hangover. Oh wow.
Oh damn.
No, but Argentina, France tomorrow, 10 a.m.
That's right.
Yeah.
Oh,
Is this
shit.
do or die? Is this do or die for Colombia? I told
No.
Camilo at the celebrity game yesterday. I was like, yo, I got Colombia all the way. He was like, yeah. He was hype.
I'm not going to give deep cuts to like spare everyone, but France, Argentina should be good.
Are you? Oh, this comes out on Monday. We got a Victor the Greek prediction. Hey,
I'm
Victor the Greek.
predicting a performance that surpasses his last performance during the last game for Diego Maradona.
Hey,
Okay,
hey.
okay.
He
And
gave his all, but I think he's got more left in the tank.
And you know, where the girls go, where the curls go. That's right. Get all your stats from Victor the Greek over here. All right. Never lost. Never lost. Whoa.
What's the spread on France, Argentina in the World Cup?
They'll be like, all right, Mike.
Apparently, the odds favor France over Argentina by 0.3 goals.
Oh, that's disrespectful. France's midfield is going to get it together and cleave Argentina in two.
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
All right. This has
So
been,
bet the house on France. You heard it here first.
this has been World Cup Talk.
You know what I'm saying?
It's a new segment on our show where we discuss the World Cup, not for any sports references, just for betting. We're just gambling. It's the OTB boys. Hey, hey. 3 o'clock, the aqueduct races. I think you should take. You ain't got no Kanye in your Serato.
Hey,
that's
listen.
the name of the horse.
Walk, don't run, and take the over on Argentina.
I heard her father's a mudder. Loves the mud. Just run through the mud. I mean, hey.
For Rojo to score that goal, you got to have the guts of a burglar.
You gotta have the guts of a burglar. Shout out to Mike Fresh. That's one of the greatest turns of phrase I've ever heard. And he just said it nonchalantly. He's like, he says it all the time.
Regular.
He said guts of a burglar. I mean, it makes sense. Because if you're a burglar, you gotta have guts.
You gotta have guts.
I never thought about it.
Yeah, you walking into a stranger's crib, just take shit.
Yeah.
You gotta have
You gotta
real
have guts.
You know what I'm saying?
Guts of a burglar. That sounds like an 80s power ballad.
Do you have it?
He's got the guts of a burglar and he's aiming to fight.
Yeah.
During like a montage of us working out with the Karate Kid. We're gonna remake the Karate Kid and it's gonna be like, I guess you get into it was like some guy in a parking lot,
Yeah.
and he just beats the shit out of you MMA style.
Yeah.
And I train you Mr. Miyagi style. It's like me and
yeah.
Victor, and we're teaching you the crane shit.
Nice.
And we set up like a professional like a match for you to like do the rematch
Yeah,
and
then
shit.
I just come through and shoot the nigga.
Exactly. Man, like, the shit's about to start. Nigga on the white uniform, you like,
Get the strap.
nigga bleeding out like, ah! Kids are running all around the gym. It's like mad graphic because it's white and shit. He's on the floor like, I'm getting cold.
Yeah, nigga, get cold. Go to the light, stupid. Trying to ground sweep me, nigga.
You're the best. All right, nigga, shoot him in the leg.
I got 22 rounds, and you're gonna hold all these shits down.
Wax on, wax off. Wax that ass. Bah, 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 bah. Cobra Khan, no mercy. Like, no mercy. All right, pow.
Nigga, rah, hold
Nigga
that.
shoot the coach too. Like, you get that too.
Yeah.
Cobra Khan down.
Yeah.
They did one with Jaden Smith, right?
Yeah,
And they got a new one that's like from the perspective of
Ralph
the
Ralph
other guy.
teaching
The-
another kid, yeah.
All right, so we're not gonna do Karate Kid. We got to do a Karate Kid, but in like the hood.
In the hood.
What's the hood version of Karate Kid?
It's like, remember how they did The Last Dragon? It was like a play on all the Bruce Lee movies?
Yeah.
We do that.
No, even better. We could do the Karate Kid in the hood, but the kid doesn't have the money to
Right.
like go to karate class, so he has to watch through the glass at a karate school until the teacher's like, "Get out of here, broke boy!" And he closes the blinds and the movie. ends.
Nice.
Very sad.
Then he learns from like some
He learns
like,
karate from YouTube videos, but it's not very good karate.
Yeah.
He gets like breaking his hand and shit.
Oh man.
His mother catches him. She thinks he's masturbated, but he's really trying to break like mad boards. And shit.
Yeah, then there's like Forrest Whitaker's in a park playing chess, and then he's like, I know karate.
I know karate. You have your eye is going the other direction. How can you teach me karate?
Okay, don't worry about it.
You can teach you karate in Thompson Square Park. They trying to snatch pigeons.
He's like, nigga, I was in Ghost Dog, trust me.
He's like, yo, in order to survive, you must know karate. I need you to walk through this park and not get offered Reggie weed from drug dealers. Nigga blindfolded and shit. Like,
Nigga had two chopsticks, not trying to pick up with Reggie and shit. Like, oh no, it's Reggie. Fuck. I need that puree. Oh, it's a blood tube. I need that. Let me get that.
for your final round, you must walk down Broadway. and not get approached by anyone trying to stop child abuse with a clipboard.
Oh my god!
You just see him like doing the Matrix and shit.
Yo,
They're like,
yeah.
do you love real hip hop? He's like, oh, what the?
Oh shit! Do you have some time for health first?
What? Nigga just chopped the clipboard in half. Like, ah, what's that? Turns into the fucking anime and shit. Nigga jump off the wall parkour style, come down with the elbow like, ah. They just break your city habitat clipboard and shit. Like, they could do a sonic boom, and you know that fucking the jug of water that collect the coins for the homeless people. That shit just explodes in Union Square. Like, ah! Over 9,000!
Sonic boom!
He's like, you are now ready. The final fight takes place on the train tracks, like in Black Panther, but it's just the MTA. Like, he's like, get off the track, stupid!
Yo, get off! Yo!
Fuck that!
Yo, go commit suicide somewhere else!
Get off the fucking track! You delaying the train!
Fuck out of here!
He's going round for round and shit. Like, see the guy. Yo, if you gotta use the horn on the train, what exactly is that for?
Come on.
Like, things is gone. Like, they use it to, like, when they pass the construction workers on the weekend, and in our heads, we're like, oh, they're letting them know the train's going through. It's really like, yo, I see you letting you out here getting that time and a half. Yeah. Weekend construction. Hey, oh, wow, that was Ralph. Ralph is driving the A now.
Ralph, hey, how you doing, Ralph?
Hey, do that weekend, time and a half, federal construction. Mom said get a union job.
That's right. Enjoy that mesothelioma.
Hey, guess what? Going on a union break. Hey, guess what? It's going to take 4 guys to put this spike in. It's going to take 9 hours. Just sitting there playing Fortnite.
What a sweet gig. I'm talking shit like we're not on TV, like fucking premium cable. I'm like, wow, what a nice job to be the flag guy.
You know, not for nothing. I would rather be the flag guy. I think the flag guy probably makes more money than we're gonna make on Showtime. Cause you can't go to Showtime and be like, yo, I want overtime. I want to work this weekend.
I want time and a half.
I want to work this weekend. Come on, Showtime, give me some jobs. My babies are sick. Like, you can't.
Yeah, come on.
Hey, Bodega Boys, you maxed out your overtime for the day. I'm like, all right, come on.
I see Julio and Jamel getting all the hours. What's up with that?
We're just doing IT at Showtime. I'm like, so what's wrong with your Wi-Fi? They're like, aren't you talented? I'm like, not today, sweet cheeks. All right, move over. Let me see your password.
Yeah, what's your password?
You got a lot of Pinot on here. You think that might be slowing down your thing? You got Pinot on your work computer?
Yeah. How about that, huh?
You're a real nasty nigga, aren't you?
Yeah. He's 30.
So give me a hand sanitizer. I'm pretty sure there's jizz on this keyboard. What is it, pubes?
He's gonna like peel the fucking keyboard cover on like.
The guy's like, I'm like, your keyboard cover is disgusting. He was like, I don't have a keyboard cover. I'm like, yeah. So nasty. Let me find out. Nigga peel it like, you remember when you was in elementary school, you put Elmer's glue on your head? Yeah. Peel it off like that? Yeah. Nasty.
Oh, shit.
All right, this is part of the show. We're just doing ASMR, so.
Yeah. Yeah. This is from, what's that shit called when when sounds on a microphone bother you?
Bother you?
Microphonia or some shit like that?
Nigga, that's an Outkast album. Get out of here. It's that Microphonia. That had CeeLo on it. That had Cool Breeze.
Fucking
Organized Noise.
Sleepy Brown.
All right. Dungeon Family on production. I think Joy was on that shit. Right? I think.
Yeah.
I can't wait.
Yeah.
She had all the Uncle Tunes and shit.
Yeah.
At first, she was like, I'm not buying this. And you hear it in the summer, you was like, oh, this shit jazz.
Oh, shit. Hey.
I like the way you groove. Do. Like I said, music phobia. That also sounds like a fucking Prince album. Music phobia.
Music phobia.
Nigga dancing, got the slim cheeks and shit. Nigga showing his butt in Fashion Nova before. Prince invented Fashion Nova, by the way.
By the way,
Let's keep it funky.
You know what I'm saying? Let's keep it
Pay
a
respect.
buck.
Put some money, put some respect on that man's name.
You know what I'm saying? Donate something to the organization.
To the Prince organization?
He started that way.
Oh, man.
Yo. He really did, though. He started the Startender outfits.
He did.
He did, yo.
He did.
Y'all really need to pay respect to that man for his musical genius and for his sartorial genius.
And if you could fit Fashion Over, you're generally built like Prince, so it works out good. Mm-hmm. It's cool.
Shut the press.
We get into that new
Nigga, Joe, look at the picture with him with the cheeks.
Yeah, got the yeeks out. Yeah.
The yeeks out, please.
All right. If Prince can walk around with the yeeks out, why can't you?
But he bent at the waist like a bad bitch.
You know what I'm saying? Why not you?
Why can't Prince Yo, who
Like,
told him like yo?
Who told him he couldn't?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's
Exactly.
true, yeah.
All right.
Did he have the nipples out too, or just the
Nah,
cheeks?
because he's classy. He don't overdo it.
He don't wanna- yeah,
See,
yeah.
a messy thought like you would have your nipples out and the cheeks. No,
yeah.
one or the other.
Yeah. Yo, shit, my nigga, the midriff though.
That's why they didn't invite us to the NBA awards this year. They didn't know what we was gonna wear. Because last year I almost wore the same dress as Kevin Durant's mother, and then this year, who knows what I was gonna come through. It's gonna be like Swaggy P walking us on a leash and shit. He's like, "This is my dog for real." I'm like, "Arr, arr." Yo, you see Swaggy P what he wore to the NBA awards?
Nah.
That nigga was just like cool. Shout out to the homie, but that nigga was dressed like fucking cocaine. Hold on, let me bring this up right here. Your man looked like all the Rick James albums put together. I was like, yo, are you serious, my guy? What it? Oh, wow. I was like, yo, Swaggy P. Swaggy P, what do you do? Swaggy.
Oh no, baby.
Where is it? Now I feel like the people that used to be on our show looking up shit. And they couldn't get
Like,
it.
yo,
Now that- like, yeah, it's not so easy now, is it, Jesus?
Huh?
Yeah, look at your man right here. Super freak! Super freak! You know, as a
He's super
Jamaican,
freaking,
I really
yo.
appreciated the mesh shirt, but he can't do it with the leather pants too.
Yeah,
Your man looks like he either sells coke or does coke or makes coke. And look at the white socks and the
Oh shit, in the Mike Jack shoes?
listen.
Oh shit, nigga, Shamon.
Shamon,
Yo.
cocaine, Shamon in my nose,
Cocaine, Miss Marina. Holes in my shirt, nigga. For ventilation.
Oh
Imagine
man!
you go somewhere and it's air conditioned and you got on a mesh marina.
What do you? You said imagine, nigga. That's my life. I was making 90% of my clothes got holes in it, and we ain't talking moth shit.
Damn, yo, your nipples supposed to be harder than Styles P
It
half
is.
the time.
But then, as like a West Indian man, you're not allowed to. You can't let your nipples get hard.
you gotta,
I can think of my whole life. I've never seen my father's nipples hard.
you gotta talk down to your nipples.
You just give them a stern look, and they be like, "All right, chill."
All right, chill. I'm gonna turn back into
Jamaican
pepperoni.
women's nipples don't get hard. It's true. It's true. Because people gonna be like, "What about that Jamaica? That lady coming out the water in the Jamaica poster? She was a Jamaican. She's Trini.
Oh,
See?
there you
See?
go. There you go,
the
boss.
deception, the duppery,
There you
the
go,
foolishness.
boss. Yeah, she's Trini. She's Trini, boss.
Clown shit.
Yeah, she not from the yard.
She's not from the yard. She's from over there.
Yeah.
That's why she got the hair like that. Oh man.
Yo, I heard. Did you hear what Tyler Perry said? Tyler Perry said that Monique is the Black Oprah, and I can't even unpack that on any level. Be like,
He said what now?
he said Monique is the Black Oprah. Yo,
All right.
I was like,
You gotta do the Jeopardy thinking music. I'm like,
what? I was like, yo, son. I was like, yo, listen, man. We've been talking about a lot about cocaine lately. I was like, this is gonna
cocaine. Are we too late to use cocaine? Because we've been in the industry a minute now. If we're not using it by now.
Yeah.
Even though someone on Twitter said that we were using it earlier in the early days of Desus and Mero. So. I mean,
No, we was using brocaine on nigga in the early days of
we was smoking straight red. Just like 5 niggas on the blunt. Like,
niggas was brocaine.
we got to do heroin for our new show. It's not out. Shit like, oh, shout.
Yeah.
Today's guest is
So
it's warm in here.
You just see Victor
Get up for Julio.
scrambling across the stage like, yo, smacking niggas, shooting Narcan up niggas' noses.
Oh shit! Though instead of jukebox in the back, we're gonna have Michael Anthony just naked. It's like, yo, just gonna have random fiends in the back. Like,
In a gamer chair and shit like, I'm playing PUBG.
Is it fucked up that I think KFC could probably do a mean Michael Anthony?
yeah.
He is Michael Anthony.
Yeah.
He's Michael Anthony, B. Like if he got a hold of dope, it would be a rap.
If he just said with a serious face, "My mom's a fucking bitch," I'd die laughing.
That would be hilarious.
Yeah.
We gotta
Oh,
cast him in
my
the
God.
movie.
Yeah, he's like, yeah, my
We gotta
mom's a
cast
fucking
him.
bitch.
That's the movie. There's it's the two possible KFCs.
Yeah.
Like, you know how, like, what it is he throws like money in a fountain. Like one of those like corny 80s Christmas
like-
movies or whatever. And he wakes up and he's like, is Michael Anthony, but now he's KFC. He's like, I got fucking kids.
Oh, what the
I got
fuck?
a fucking house. I got a fucking job.
I got a dog?
Are you fucking? I'm a fucking Mets fan.
What?
Oh my god!
Shit. I'm a fucking Mets fan. That'd be the worst thing to him. Like, instead of the kids, the dog, the house.
It's like Michael Anthony's worst day ever.
It's like, no.
I don't care about the drug addiction, but the Mets shit.
Nigga looks up and it's just Mr. Met like doing the like, hey.
Nigga has a 1 week clean chip and a Let's Go Mets tattoo. He's like, I can't do this anymore. Shout out to KFC.
Yeah, shouts to KFC.
Shout out to KFC. And all my Met fans out there,
Yeah, I'm saying-
why did you do it to you? I get passionately upset with Met fans remaining to be Met fans, even though I'm a Knicks fan. It makes no sense. I think it's something. There's a trauma from seeing the orange and blue.
Yeah.
And then also because Met fans do that annoying thing early in the season that Knicks fans also do.
Yep.
So I think it's like.
Well, you mean have hope?
I think it's like when it's like what Trump does, where he doesn't like something someone does, so they're doing the same thing he does. So like you're projecting. That's what I project with my hate for Met fans.
That's what happens.
I think the tightest I was when the Mets was in the World Series.
Oh.
And I was like, what? This is a New York team. Be happy. I was like, fuck that. These niggas lose.
Oh man, what are they playing? They were playing the Cardinals, all right?
Royals.
The Royals?
And what was the Royals?
Oh yeah, no, they played the NL and the Cardinals.
Yeah. But yeah, you got.
I was glad they beat the Cardinals because the Cardinals are like top 2 racist teams. In the major leagues.
Oh yeah.
Like niggas wear Trump jerseys to Cardinals games.
Well, niggas wear Trump jerseys to Rangers games. So I mean, yeah, that's right there.
That's that.
Your man had a custom Trump Rangers. It said Trump, and it was like a Mark Messier jersey. And I was trying to take a picture on the low. He was like, "Yeah, go ahead, I'll pose for you." And I was like, "Oh no, sir, you're not going viral off my shit. Forget it." But shout out to there was another Rangers fan who was like, "That's not even an official jersey." And I was like, "Yeah, you tell him, Megan.
Yeah, he got the iron on shit.
Yeah, that shit's whack.
Tell him, Matt.
Tell him, go fight him." A white chick at a Rangers game will fuck your shit up.
Oh,
they
what?
will fight you in the parking lot like a man.
You crazy? They took your shirt off and everything.
Knock her teeth out and shit. She's like,
Fam,
her friend is holding her back. She's like, throw me a scrunchie. Let me put
Give
my
me
hair
a fucking scrunchie. I'm gonna show this guy what's what.
They'll fight you while holding a beer and not spill any of the beer.
None of the beer
and
whatsoever.
then run to fucking track 4 to catch the train to Jersey.
That is a fact, dude.
The cop was like, "Yo, who hit you?" I was like, "Some white girl. She had on black leggings. I don't know what she got on.
I don't know.
Train.
Shit on Uggs and black leggings.
Like, you gotta be more. Come on, you gotta be more specific.
She had a Starbucks Frappuccino. Come on, pal.
She had on a Rangers jersey, black. Wait. It was a Yankees jersey, black leggings.
All right.
And some Chucks. I don't.
Uggs.
Jesus Christ.
You know what? You're not helping us a lot here.
She went to the Yankee Tavern.
I mean, you're still not helping us.
They're gonna have to arrest like 80 girls in the Yankee Tavern.
Do a fucking roundup.
My fucking cop. My father's a cop.
My father's you're my father.
Yeah, I know. All right, time to go, Peggy.
Come on, Peggy. Let's get out of here. I'm gonna sneak you out of here.
You're dropping a little too hard to that J-Rock song. I don't feel comfortable.
Yeah.
Oh. Is it hot in here?
So hot. Yeah.
Hot now.
Yeah.
Hot in here.
Drop down, and get your eagle on, girl.
Ooh.
I'm trying to revisit a lot of those songs.
We need to remix this because that's what Drake was trying to do. He's trying to do the double album. And I'm gonna say it right now. The greatest double album of all time was Suit/Sweat.
Yes.
Why? I don't know. Just for the title.
Like, to me, it was like, oh, Sweatsuit.
Get it? But then he split it too.
Oh,
use your mind.
Sweat and the suit. Oh,
and also
shit.
it made me think of like the velour sweatsuits.
Yeah.
Which you gotta bring back.
Yep.
Gotta be, even though it's gonna be 90 for the next 3 days,
Fuck
gotta bring it back.
Anitra velours all
That's
day.
the flex. If you dress and it's not weather appropriate, you're either homeless or rich.
Or super rich.
No
like
difference.
you go from like a car to another air conditioning establishment. You know what I'm saying? With spaghetti bolognese at the Polo Lounge. You know what I'm saying?
Oh man. All my people going to the beach this weekend, taking some spaghetti. You ever eat spaghetti on the beach?
Yeah, for sure. With plátanos.
That's
all my Dominicans. Yeah, exactly.
The first time I've seen that.
I know.
That's a thing?
Yeah, it's a thing. I've seen it, and I was like, these niggas eat spaghetti on the beach, and apparently it's a thing.
Yeah, spaghetti with plátanos. You bring a big ass pot of spaghetti.
A big ass pot of spaghetti.
No, but literally, what could be worse in an environment full of sand?
No,
Yeah.
they just eat. They eat it. They'll get sand in it. And then the worst thing, I seen the people eat it using it like with ceramic dishes.
Yep.
Not even paper plates.
Yep.
I'm like, yo, y'all wildin'. You never see me at the beach.
Hispanic
like,
moms do feel some type of way about using like plastic plates. And shit.
it's wasteful. It's wasteful. Yeah, it's wasteful. That made more sense because there's not many beach-friendly foods unless you're gonna bring a cooler. Because if you get like a bodega sandwich and bring it to the beach, you got like 20 minutes before you get
Before
food.
the shit is
food
straight
poisoning.
soggy.
You just see the salmonella behind you, like, all right, wait. Salmonella waiting for the train, like, all right, 4 more minutes. All right, nigga, all right, let's go.
I
Let's
dare
go.
you, nigga. This shit ain't Boar's Head, nigga.
Come on, this shit said 4 minutes for 3 minutes now. Come on,
nigga. This shit ain't Boar's Head, nigga. This
Come on,
is the Boar's Head.
This nigga's butthole. Let's go. Salmonella.
That hero roll will turn into a wet diaper, nigga, in 10 minutes.
And then
stat.
And then it would get like some sort of. Then you get sand in the shit, and that shit is ruined.
Then it's over.
I think the best food. There's a Popeyes over by Rockaways. Woo! You get yourself a Popeyes box. I turn into like a chick from New Orleans. I'll be like, all right, baby. Yeah. Rubbing sunscreen on people I don't like. Let me get your back there, baby.
Let me get your back. Let me get under the strap, baby.
Oh, okay. No, that chicken from Popeyes. And they could be in the water waist deep with the Popeyes box. Like,
And the Popeyes box, they got the high walls and shit to protect you from like blowing sand and shit. Yeah.
Because, you could do whatever you want. And also, it's a new app we're working on. It's called Cracker. It helps you find nutcrackers on the beach.
True.
See, people thought it was a racist app. No, you have to show your ethnicity for using the Face ID to use it.
You know what I'm saying?
I'm sorry, you are white.
You are white. Sorry, you can't use
It's
this.
payback for every time I put my zip code in Seamless and like we don't deliver to your zip code. Come back.
Yeah.
I'm like you are a wild bunch. You just moved to this neighborhood. You cannot handle a nutcracker.
Small reparations.
Please come back when you've lived in the neighborhood for 5 months.
A little bit at a time.
If you have a nickname from the local bodega owner, please insert it now.
Yeah. It cannot be gringo or blanquita.
Yes. Hey, oh, Blanquita. Oh, you so pretty. I should marry you. Oh. That's not a compliment.
Should it be a wild dub and shit? Like,
you so pretty. I was having a good day. Now I have a beautiful day because a beautiful woman came into my bodega.
Woman like you.
Miguel, my wife is here. Oh, I love you so much.
She's beautiful, mommy.
Oh, you getting a bottle of water? $5,000. For you $1.
I just give you for $1, mommy, please. I want to marry you so I can get my visa here. Okay.
You so pretty. You so pretty.
Yeah, mommy. Come on, man. Marry me.
She walking out the door. All you hear is like culo. Listen,
culo and visa.
All right. Y'all be thinking Poppy likes you. Poppy saying some fucked up shit.
Hell yeah. Bueno, coño, mami, ese culo, coño, diablo, ese totazo.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. That's a universal language, man. That shit does not have any translation, B. It is what it is.
I mean, some things you don't have to explain.
Oh, man.
There's certain things like how animals are afraid of fire. Some things are just naturally in you.
Yeah.
All right. And from the first man on earth, from the first caveman, that first caveman, so that first cave woman,
bust it open.
Bat her over. You know, she had mad hair. She looked like a woolly mammoth.
Yeah.
Ooga booga.
Ooga. And they got filtered through all the wild pubes and shit, so it was like the crystal clear clarity and shit.
It was like, because they wasn't wiping their ass back in the...
Hell no.
They was wiping their ass with rocks.
Hell yeah, bro.
Shit just hurt. Like, ah!
Ass looked like a fucking shih tzu.
You really replaced the fucking toilet paper with metamorphic rock? You know I can only use Indiginants.
Come on.
I forgot my rocks.
Igneous.
I want indignant rocks.
Indignant rock is just like, I'm
not a rock.
I refuse to be a rock.
I'm more than a rock, all right?
I'm more than that.
You think I'm one of these sedimentary bitches?
Excuse me.
No. If you excuse me, if you don't matter, I'm gonna go back in my auto filter. Like I don't need this shit. Fuck y'all. I'm gonna turn these dinosaur bones into oil. It's later for y'all.
Fuck y'all.
Fuck y'all.
Shout to Mr. Isaacson, my 8th grader science teacher, for helping me remember igneous rock.
Indignant rocks.
What is the stupidest shit you remember from junior high?
The stupidest shit I remember.
Or the most useless information you remember from junior high?
The most useless information from junior high. Probably something for science. Like, what was it? Hold on, wait.
Photosynthesis?
No, photosynthesis is pretty important. Yeah. When you're a kid, you realize that it really works. You're like, oh, you put like something in a jar and it like fogs up. You're like, oh shit. Maybe I actually like go towards science. And then your friend's like, yo, let's cut school. And I'm like, fuck this. Fuck this.
Yeah, I know how to photosynthesize, nigga, with this Dutch.
Oh, I had a teacher, Mr. Rothstein. Not a made-up Jewish name. It was real. Shout to him. He was a terrible teacher. He used to lie to us constantly, and he was the one that was like, you should pee on a jellyfish thing, which you shouldn't. So.
Oh, that's a lie? Damn, good thing I never been talking about jellyfish. Yeah. What are you supposed to do with jellyfish thing?
Don't get stung by... First of all, don't get stung by a jellyfish. Stupid.
I mean...
All right, that's what you said. The lifeguard at Orchard Beach was like...
She just said on the chair like, yo, you stupid. Yo, there's a jellyfish line, you stupid dickhead. Hey, you swimming at your own rigs.
It's jelly, but it ain't like Welch's. Like, get out the water. Get out the water. Why you in the water?
That's not a diaper, my nigga. We in Jones Beach, not in Orchard, all right? That's a jellyfishes.
Yes. People say you either urinate on jellyfish sting or pour alcohol on the affected area before removing the scrapers. But the urine contains urea, which helps with tentacle removal, but your pee's too diluted for it to work. So in essence, you might actually make it worse. Yeah.
Oh, shit.
But again, don't get stung by jellyfish.
Yeah, like how the fuck?
Nah, they just creep up on you.
Like where?
in the ocean, nigga.
I know, but I was saying like,
What you thinking? You thinking Patterson at a light? Niggas gonna run up on you like, get the fuck out
like,
the car.
yo, get the out the
Run
car,
the chains,
nigga.
nigga.
Mad tentacles,
mad
mad
fucking
guns.
jellyfish. Like, what's up?
What's up, nigga?
What's up? 80 block, nigga.
Yo,
you know
what up? Yo.
Niggas just undulating around your car. Like,
Yo.
give it up. Run the jukes.
I'll be like, yo, you don't even got a backbone, nigga. What the fuck, bro?
It's a red light nigga be like, yo, don't end up like Stephon Marbury. Give it up. Give it up. Run up at me at the light. You might lose your life. You shoot a jellyfish to just go through him? Like I got no central nervous system. What's up? How you feel? How you feel?
Stupid.
Got no pain receptors.
I don't even got a brain, nigga. Just got mad tentacles.
Nigga slopping down the road after you and shit. You like, drive faster. They're gaining on us.
This nigga Millie rocking behind you and shit. Like 8 arms.
I think we could do a kid show about some gangster jellyfish.
You know what I'm saying?
The Jellyfish Boys.
There has to be a fish that Millie rocks as a form of like locomotion. Man.
Yeah.
We gotta find it.
It's probably it's probably like shy. Like its mother gotta be out there. Like, go do your Millie Rock. Do that Millie Rock thing you do. It's like in the bottom of a marina trench. Like, I don't want to, mom. Like, look how sturdy it is.
You were born for this.
The narrator is like, at the bottom of the marina trench lies the sturdiest clownfish. His Millie Rock is to be seen. They just showed him Millie rocking in slow motion on like Planet Earth and shit. Like, I'm like, wow. I'm like, is this 4K?
Yo, what Nemo are we on? 3, 4?
Nigga, you got kids? It'd be weird if me and Victor knew what Nemo we're on and you don't.
I mean, I think we're on 3.
So, I mean, if you consider Finding Dory a sequel to Finding Nemo.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we got Nemo 3? More Nemo?
Yeah, more Nemo.
Nemo?
More Nemo. Nemo Electric Boogaloo.
Nemo. Mo. No, that's the name of it. Nemo. 3.
3.
They're like, yeah, these things didn't even try.
The E is a 3.
It's us, and we're I'll do the voice of a fish fillet. You're like, Jesus, that's a fish fillet. Everyone's like, I want to see Jesus part. I'm like, they put me in oil. That's our whole scene.
I'm a lobster and shit. I'm like, under the sea. Niggas grab me at the red lobster tank and shit and throw me in a pot.
No, you like, right before they put you in a fight, there's like a Seafood City fight breaks out. You're like, whoosh. But niggas still boil you and shit.
I'm like, no, but they fighting. Yo, stop. They
Is this both of us like dipped in butter and shit? Like,
next to each other on the plate, like, yo, son, I'm fucking fried, man.
They're gonna smack. They're gonna smack that up delicious.
Yeah. Shout to Nemo.
I mean, shout to Nemo. Why does he keep getting? What's that? I saw the first Nemo. I think I didn't see part 2, but
I haven't seen.
I get the gist.
The last.
We got to do a reboot of Nemo. Just make it mad dark.
Man.
Just make it mad dark. He just goes around like killing pet owners who like sell fish to people who every time he finds out like
a harpoon type dude.
Yeah, like he goes to like a Petco and gets a list of everyone that's bought a goldfish, and he goes to the house to see how the goldfish is doing. And like, if the goldfish is dead, like he just kills the whole family.
He's like, this water's cloudy.
It's like, what? I'm gonna clean it.
Get on the fucking floor.
I'm gonna clean it this weekend.
Face down on the garbage bag. Don't look at me. Don't look at me.
Nemo, don't do this.
You know my fucking name. Remember my name, bitch. Nemo.
I was like, is this a kids movie? Nemo 3, rated R.
It's like Val Kilmer's Nemo.
It's like dead silence after the preview. You just hear a kid like, I don't like Nemo killing people. Just show a fish tank with like mad blood in it. Just fill it up to the top.
Revenge.
Need more bodies. Let the bodies hit the floor. It's like that Matrix scene with him shooting this, like Nemo jumping off the wall, like mad guns and shit. Who's voicing Nemo?
Probably Jaden Smith. He's getting a lot of voices.
Yeah, I can see that.
I'm just an icon swimming.
Wow! Woo!
Yeah.
Oh man.
Yo, shout out to Jaden Smith. Yo, to God.
Oh man.
Yo.
Shout out to Jada Smith.
Is Will Smith coming out with a new album? Did I hear that?
No, but Will Smith is so rich he can just do fly shit on Instagram just because he has just because he wants to.
Yeah.
He just released a video game.
He just released
a video game.
Will Smith's Punch Out on Instagram.
Wow.
That's rich money.
Wow.
That's too much money. That's you wake up and he's like, what why did I got even why?
I'm gonna make a game.
That's what you know what the net worth of Will Smith is, right?
It's gotta be close to $1 billion.
250 mil? Will Smith.
God damn.
From Fresh Prince of Bel-Air.
Damn.
All he had to do was kiss a nigga in a movie, and then make some bad movies where he's mailing shit to the emotions.
Yeah.
That's how rich he is. He makes bad movies. We don't say shit.
We don't say shit.
He got the whole world under pressure not to be like Will Smith makes terrible movies.
Fam, he might have made the worst movie of all time and then had like franchise restaurants amping the shit. Remember when Wild Wild West came out? They had the rodeo burger at Burger King for like $2 for like...
You a fat nigga.
Yeah.
You a fat nigga and I'm a secret fat nigga because I was like, my mouth just started salivating like,
yeah, that rodeo burger.
That rodeo burger. Bring it back.
Yo,
Burger King, if you here, bring back that rodeo burger.
Bring the rodeo burger back, V. Onion rings, barbecue sauce.
Can I just say, Wild Wild West was a shit show.
Yo.
All right, first of all, you got Stevie Wonder. He ain't know what the fuck was going on.
Nothing.
You got like a big mechanical spider. That was the thing.
Bro.
You got Cisco.
Where?
Yeah, the wig. Wild West. Like, what the fuck?
What the fuck is going on here?
Someone was coked up in a room when they greenlit that shit. They were like, throw the guy from Thong Song on there.
Yeah.
Who's the blind guy with the braids?
Yeah.
Oh my God. The Mulian that punched the alien in Independence Day. Yeah.
Yeah, that guy.
Yeah. I'm dating some girl from Williamsburg or Bushwick or something. She's in the steampunk. Throw some of that in there.
Some of that, yeah,
All right.
do the thing.
And make it take place in the Wild West.
Yeah, that's right. Let's do Westworld 10 years in advance.
There was one bright spot. You do see Selma Hayek's Yeeks.
True.
Yeah.
The Floyd little nightgown. I remember you, Mom.
Yeah.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying?
Wow.
Remember From Dusk Till Dawn?
Wow.
She was shining in that.
Woo. Wait, before we go to
Y'all remember
Dust
Frida?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Her tits was sitting up in Dust Dawn.
Yeah.
Wow. Do you
Look that
understand
shit up
this?
right now.
Wild Wild West had a budget of $170 million.
God damn.
How much do you think it earned?
30.
222.1 mil.
Wow.
Which sounds like a lot, but no.
It's not.
You spent 107 mil.
No, that's just in theaters.
What?
You're looking at a box office gross. Pay-per-view.
Oh, this is worldwide.
DVD.
This is worldwide.
Yeah, those are theatrical receipts. He still got the pay-per-view, the TV licensing, the Artemis.
Damn, bro.
If you look at it, total gross.
Damn, he's like Jay-Z, nigga. I could drop a straight dud. I'ma stay up.
They said it got.
He's getting bright too.
They said 1.8.3 million worldwide. Oh, man. Got 1 star. They said it was a comedy dead zone. You stare at disbelief as scenes flop and die. The movie is all concept and no content. The elaborate special effects like watching money burn on the screen. Damn, Roger Ebert was not playing.
Yo!
Wow. It
People
got.
forget the bad guy had the little artificial dick with like the little.
Yeah, the gun. Remember that? Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It was nominated for 8 Razzies.
Damn!
God damn.
Who's the bad white Yakubian guy in that movie? I forgot his name, but he's
Kevin Kline?
Kevin Kline. Wow.
He was nominated for Worst Actor. Wow. It won for Worst Screenplay, Worst Director, and Worst Picture.
Wow.
And Worst Original Song. Wild Wild West.
We're going straight to the Wild Wild West.
Right now, Will Smith somewhere with a cigar, like, check so clear, though.
Check so clear, though, nigga.
Him and Jada just laughing.
Nigga just laughing eating a rodeo burger.
I still got them, do you? She got, like, mad rodeo burgers in the deep freezer. It's like, yo.
What you want for lunch today, baby? Let me get 2 rodeo burgers.
Oh, man.
Yo. Oof. I like my reefer with some crack.
Bass in the front, big sand in the back. How come crack? We got to bring back. We need to make a. Well, we got a lot of free time, so we're gonna do all this stuff. We're gonna do a crack restaurant.
A crack. Yo, listen. Speaking of crack,
we're gonna cook crack right at the table.
Yo, fam. Can we talk for like 10 seconds about your man Rusty and his and how the entire Twitter got in his entire
Shout out to
rectum?
Rusty 2K.
Shout out to Rusty MK2
on Twitter.
You know what I'm saying?
Because he made a reference to like
to Triple Extension's untimely demise. You know what I'm saying?
He said,
like,
I made mistakes in 20.
At 20, I started sniffing coke and I led to rocks, and then I did this and that, and then the nigga just casually mentioned rocks in the tweet.
That tweet didn't go where I was expecting it. And I was like, oh, okay.
I thought he was gonna say like, yo, I beat a dude up and I caught an assault charge. Nah, nigga, I was smoking rocks, Joe Rogan.
You're fucked up. But also, smoking rocks is fucked up. You can fall off of rocks when you're rock climbing. You don't fall onto rocks.
Rocks.
You don't casually sniff coke. Like you got a lot of work. Not coke. You don't casually smoke crack.
Nah, bro.
Just even listen. Just even the sound of it.
Yeah.
You sniff coke. Listen, it sounds like a C sharp. Like, counter bassoon. Like it's like Peter and the Wolf. Like
sniff coke.
You know, like Vivaldi, the Four Seasons. Like it's like very classical. You can see it. Carnegie Hall. Like someone on a viola, like stroking. You see the guy with the stick, like,
you know what I'm saying?
Sniff coke.
And when you sniff the coke, it's just like you like sniff, and then you just
sniffing coke is like playing the cello. It's like very,
wipe
you know, wipe your nose, like very quaint. You know, you come out the bathroom, like, yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
Now you want to hear the fucking G sharp, no G flat over here. Smoke crack. It's like, oh, you hit the wrong note. Like,
that's like the timpani, that boom, 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 boom.
Smoke crack rocks. Crack rocks. Boom, 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 boom. They hit the triangle like.
Then just one tooth falls out.
Crack rocks. They get mad sweaty and shit. They try to keep the pace. And you look at like one of the timpanis is gone because the nigga sold it. Crack rocks. I'm like, how you sold a timpani in 30 seconds?
Yeah, fam.
Well, Joe Rogan smokes crack.
I smoke crack, Joe Rogan. Then there was bad people being like, yo, you can smoke crack once and not get addicted. I was like, I'd rather not even try. How about that? I smoked plenty of Wu-Bangers on my day.
That's different. If someone smokes a little crack, you know, if someone, listen, I'm going to show my age here. Someone slipping a little crack in your blunt is no different than you get in the fucking onion ring with your bag of fries at Burger King. It's a welcome treat.
Do you like his reefer with some crack?
That's the breaks. That's the breaks. Crack in your back. Crack on the wall. That used to be a thing. You used to be able to call a chick over like, yo, I got a Colt 45 for some rock. What's up, mom? Yeah. She's like, hold on. Let me take my kid to the bed.
Ooh. let me lock him in.
Chain him to the radiator. I'll be over there in a second. Let me call a Jimbo.
Yo. God damn. Niggas were going on crack dick appointments?
Yeah.
God damn.
Listen, there wasn't people were spoiled. You got Tinder now.
Yeah.
Sometimes you had to rattle some rocks.
Yeah.
You'd be like, Bonita! You just take a vial and shit, like in the courtyard. She's like, oh, he got the heavy rocks.
Oh, he got the ivory shit.
Niggas, yo, back in the day, niggas would have had like heavy rocks as a Twitter name and shit. Like, yo, the real heavy rocks. Imagine you throwing crack rock on your Instagram, like to flex and shit. Nigga hit like on your picture of crack rock.
Like, yo, look at this shit. Nigga, this shit is like this big. It's like, yo, I ain't even chopped this shit yet.
Yo, was feeling, you know, cook this up today.
You know what I'm
like,
saying?
Oh shit, nigga, match hashtags like gourmet, I be cooking,
IG Daily,
Rock Chef,
IGers,
Happy, Inspo,
Daily Photo.
I'm like, excuse me, Mero, are you gonna post your ROTD? They gotta put a watermark on your picture of your crack rock. Niggas stealing crack rock photos out here.
That's not playing with me.
Niggas still crack rock. Niggas still crack rock photos.
I took this shit with my Nikon.
I'm like, yo,
and I sold it for some crack.
Shit. Niggas expose it because be like that. She don't even be posting her own rocks.
She be lying. Yo, she ain't selling crystals. She selling rocks.
That ain't real. That ain't real. Niggas photoshopping their rocks and shit. Tired of y'all niggas. That sounds like a Ghostface lyric. Niggas photoshop their rocks.
Yo, what? Yo, Drew Yeager got a huge response last week. Shout out to Drew Yeager.
We actually got a write-up in a Jew magazine.
I was about to say. They were like, yeah, they are very Jew adjacent and they are very respectful of our Judaic customs.
That's right.
Judaica.
They were like, you know, just when you feel like, oh, shout out, it was Jewish news, GTA news. Desus and Mero, our late night comedy's most Jewish hosts. Shalom. Shalom. All right, Desus and Mero, we coming back in Israel. Yeah.
Right. Guess what I'm doing tomorrow? No work.
Hey, I guess I've been Jewish all my life. No, I might, you know, the glow up is real. We're probably gonna end up like I'm definitely gonna end up in Kabbalah. Like,
Kabbalah?
Yeah, I really like the little red string.
That's a dope thing.
That's about it.
It's just
it matches my Yeezys.
It's chill. Yeah,
They're gonna be like, we're gonna teach you about like the history. I'm like, no, I just want the string.
You gotta fuck Madonna to get in though.
Faster than a ray of light. Faster than a ray of light.
I'm coming.
I feel like if you had sex with Madonna, it'd take you mad long to come.
I feel like Madonna's vagina is probably like Shang Tsung, like from Mortal Kombat. Mm-hmm. Like you smash and it shit just takes your soul. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like she kissed Drake and like that was the start of the ending. You know what I'm saying?
Wow.
Think about it. After she kissed Drake, he called the beef with Meek Mill. He won that, but then it was just like, yo, he got mad confident. And then Pusha came out and was just like, you're hiding a child.
Fatality.
Like I just saw a Drake lyric. Come on, it's my timeline and it's making my face disgusted. He said, the only dead beats is the beats I be rapping on. Oof. Oh, the beats I be rapping to. Like, Nobody in the room was like, that ain't it, Chief? That ain't the one?
Oh, man.
Victor would not let me say that out loud. He'd be like, yo, could we edit that out?
I just talked to Hasan later. Be like, yo, he won't even remember that line.
That shit was
Just
terrible.
Just take it out. Just take it out. Just take it out. Just take it out.
Nothing's worse than you say a line and
stitch that up.
someone just very slowly like touches you like, that ain't it, guy.
Yo, fam.
That ain't it.
My nigga, look.
Oh, like the sound, like Hasan's like, yo, so, I mean, if y'all want to take a day off.
You know what I'm saying? I know y'all getting burnt out.
Y'all was out pretty late yesterday, so if y'all just want, we could do this next week. Because y'all.
Listen, man, we wasting a lot of tape here, a lot of time.
You just see your sound engineer like that, just stretch it, like, they can play a Fortnite and shit. Barely adjusting the levels and shit. You get like, yo, Hasan, turn on my headphones. They're not even respond to this shit. They're not hitting not hitting the intercom switch. He's just got us like flag out.
He's
the
like,
sound
hold up. Yo, chill, the storm is coming. I gotta run.
Take the potion. Shout out to Fortnite, which stole our idea.
Yeah.
We said on this show we need a Fortnite. We just built shit.
Yeah.
And they came out with playgrounds.
Yeah.
Now we just built shit. It doesn't work. They gotta fix it.
It's buggy.
That's all right.
It's a little buggy.
That's all right. No, that's not right. Because that was my idea, and I'm still gonna make my original Fortnite, which has no guns, and you just land in the North Bronx, and you have to rush to buy 3-family property against other Jamaican immigrant families. That's all it is. All right.
It's good.
And the first person to get their house set up, you get the first tenants.
And you gotta fit. The only way to settle disputes is fist fighting.
No fist fighting because you're too busy like repairing the toilet. Like the tenants keep you busy.
True,
it's not a fun game at all.
Yeah.
It's literally what my father
You
wanted me
just
to do.
stare at each other.
I made the game just so I could play it in front of my father, and he's like, "But that's what I do in real life. Why are you playing a video?" I was like, "I made the video game just to piss you off."
I'm training.
I'm like, "Excuse me, I'm fixing a toilet."
Pardon me. Pardon. Excuse me.
Oh, I'm sorry. There's no heat in 4B. I'll be right on it. He's mad tight. He's like,
Get your boiler license.
stop. Dad, what are you doing? I'm rendering a water heater. Just leave it alone. He's gonna shoot me like Marvin Gaye. Like,
Yo, you be like, it's 120 gallons. You be like,
it's rendering right now.
120 gallon? My God.
He's getting mad because I have I'm watching tenants leave lights on in their apartments and I have to visit them. It's just about saving money. It's not a fun game whatsoever. It's called Fort Homeowner, I guess.
Yeah. Listen, all homeowners, get yourself a high capacity water heater. Trust me.
Oh,
You don't want to be in
by
the,
our new sponsor,
you know what
Home
I'm saying?
Depot.
That's right.
Well, you need a high capacity. You got 6 people in your house.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, you gotta have that.
Nigga, after 2 showers, you don't want to be free. My old apartment, I used to take a shower after one person and literally have 2 minutes of hot water. So I had to hit the, you know what I'm saying, hit the spots mad fast. And
My
then
little
just shower with
sister-
freezing water after that,
My little sister used to wake up before all of us and take a shower for an hour.
and then just fuck up your whole day.
No hot water. None. And I used to be like, yo, there's no hot water. Like complaining and be like, why you need a shower in the morning? I was like, what?
What?
Because the theory was, I was a wasteful kid because I used to take a bath at night and shower in the morning. So it's like, there was like, pick one.
You just like to relax.
I like to be clean. I'm sorry, I like to be clean. I don't want to smell like outdoors. I'm sorry. I'm trying to have a social life.
I'm
Sorry.
like, bro, I bathe my kids twice a day.
Like, if your biggest problem is your kid bathes too much, that's a good thing.
That's a good thing, my guy. My parents had me bathing all crazy.
Because most guys go through a phase, like when they're 13, they're like, oh, I'm not showering no more. I got all this Axe body spray. I'm good.
I'm good,
So I
yo.
just cool water. I ain't have water. I ain't seen a bath in 4 days, nigga. I stink.
So what? It got
Come right
skid
from
marks.
basketball practice. I don't care.
I'm spraying Febreze all over these skid marks.
Skid marks got skid marks. Skid marks are so the skid marks are so dry they turn to like rumble strips. Like,
Every time you fart, this shit sound like a xylophone. Yeah.
Like actually, you scrape up your butt on it. Like, oh shit.
Oh shit! Damn!
gross.
Ow!
Wipe your ass, nigga.
Wipe your motherfucking ass. Wipe till it's white.
Wipe to.
Wipe till it's white.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
so
you don't
toilet
use
paper.
You don't use black toilet paper?
I heard that you no.
Nah, I don't use black toilet paper.
Yeah, the black prophets and everything.
Like, listen, this
Imagine a black Israelite come on a train with the black soap and the black toilet paper.
Oh, you using a white man's toilet paper? You
Huh?
using white toilet paper?
Brother? Huh?
Actually, no. It's like you can shit on white patriarchy by wiping on
That's
white
right.
toilet paper. Yeah.
Absolutely.
See, you should get we should get Donald Trump toilet paper, and then, but then he'd probably sell it. He'd be like, stupid.
Stupid.
Make me money.
Just make toilet paper with Donald Trump sticking his tongue out and wipe your ass with it. You know what I'm saying?
It's kind of hot.
That's kind of hot.
Kinda hot?
Yeah.
Yeah, nasty.
Yeah, nasty.
Nasty. Ew, gross. But then, like, you gotta blow your nose and, like, get Donald Trump blowing, like, licking your snot.
Licking your snot? Oh, man. Would you like to blow a loogie in Donald Trump's face? Like,
He's like, I wish you would. I wish you niggas would. How come no one's run up on Donald Trump and tried to fight him yet?
Because he's president,
They
probably.
got massive Secret Service.
Yeah. I feel like if he didn't have Secret Service, like, yo, wait until he's out. Well, no, but presidents get Secret Service for life, no?
I believe that ended with Obama, and it was ended by George Bush.
Yeah.
Oh,
Junior.
He's like, we're not protecting no black guy for the rest of his life. He was like, get the strap.
He protects go 50.
He's like, yo, Obama, get your own burner.
You know what I'm saying?
Saying.
That's how your daughter hangs out with rappers. You should have access to guns.
That's right. He's like, oh, she hangs out with Chance.
Come on, please. Only gun he has is the Nintendo Ray gun for duck hunt.
And a gun to reach God. Can we get in that? God lane?
God lane?
Yeah, we gotta do some gospel. We got free time. We gotta everything we said we could do. We could do now.
We could. Which one of the Braxtons is free? Do they do gospel?
I don't think the Braxtons do gospel.
Winans? The Winans? They do gospel. Yeah. CC,
They don't need us.
They don't need us?
They don't need us.
They're doing good on
They
their
said
own?
CC. I was like, CC got a gospel album? CC God Bathia. There's just CC and Amper singing like gospel songs.
He's like, I'm
or a
gonna
trap beat.
strike.
I'm gonna strike you out for Jesus. I was like, all right.
All right.
This shit's a bop.
This just slap. Okay.
I got an infield fly for the Lord. I was like, all right, it's
Okay. Hey, this is some of that pop.
and I'm sliding into heaven. I was like, oh, this is my sex.
shit, word.
Because I love my God. I was like, oh, CC, this ain't it, bro. They got the barbecue playing it. I'm like, yo, this ain't it, Chief. This ain't it, man. This ain't it.
Speaking of shit being it, Freddie Gibbs' new joint kind of goes.
Smacking. It smacks.
Goes.
It smacks. Shout out to Freddie.
Yo,
People were scared because of the cover. They were just like, oh, it's just going to be like some smooth R&B shit. Nah, it's still some murder nigga shit.
Yeah.
Still ride around with the big 4-5 in the passenger seat. Go through the drive-thru, let them see it. That's why they give you extra fucking mayo sauce. You know what it is.
I ain't paying for no motherfucking onion ring zesty sauce, nigga.
Nigga, I look like I pay for condiments?
You know what I'm saying? Huh? You want to make shit zesty out here, motherfucker?
Nigga, hop over the counter, take as many fucking sour sauce as I want. Like, yo, sweet and sour, nigga. Fuck you. Fuck your life.
Yo.
I mean, you know, we're all just trying to. God's working on all of us,
He
as
is,
they
he
say.
is.
We're all riding our own horses.
You know what I'm saying?
Yada yada, shmada, you know.
I'm telling y'all,
Bagel
man.
the bagel.
Put 5 G's on Columbia to win it all.
Listen, Mero has never steered you wrong.
You know what I'm saying? I
Never steered you right, but
told y'all LeBron was coming down from 3-1. They thought it couldn't happen. It happened.
did it?
Yeah.
Well,
I mean, not last year. I was
not,
they got swept.
because I was like, oh,
the year
okay.
before that.
I was like, all right, because that's not what I saw in my own eyes when I was watching it.
Oh my God! Yo, LeBron. Man, I feel bad for him, B.
You feel bad for LeBron James?
I feel bad for him in the sense that like he has everything except, like, good teammates. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Like, he got everything. He got money. He got a beautiful family.
Yeah,
His son is 12 and fucking dunking a
dunk
basketball.
it, yeah.
You know what I'm saying? But it's like, damn, bro. It's like you can't lose for winning, B. Like every move that nigga makes, everybody's like, oh, he's doing this, he's doing. Imagine he went to the Lakers.
Mm-hmm.
Imagine he went to the Lakers with Paul George, or he fucking what Victor says, just be like, fuck it, fuck the league, join the Warriors, fuck the NBA in its entirety, join the Warriors, fucking win a championship 15 years in a row, like
Just violating.
just violate the whole shit. I think that will save the NFL. You know what I'm
But
saying?
that because people are so bored by the
NBA, like, yo, oh my God, every fucking year it's like some sacrificial.
Do you think
land
the
from
league
East.
wouldn't block that for basketball reasons? The same way they blocked that other trade? Because that was
David Stern. David Stern was a hater. Adam Silver is just like
you're right. That would probably destroy the NBA. I wouldn't watch it.
Who cares? Why
It
would
would
you
literally
watch?
be like when you play NBA 2K and like you watch every team the computer plays.
Yeah.
But it'd be the opposite. Like you know at a certain time you're gonna play this team and you have no chance of winning.
None.
Oh wow. Yeah.
Fam, like you come out and it's like my man told me, like he went to boarding school and like a lot of those you know from boarding school, like they travel, like this like Trinity will go to Tabor and Tabor will go to like St. Benedict's or whatever, and like he's like, my man, he's like, fam, I'll never forget. He was like, yo, it was like my freshman year. He was like, my coach loved me. He was starting me. Like that was unheard of. You know what I'm saying? Like usually when you're a freshman, you got to put in work and like whatever. He's like, yo, he was starting me. He was like, yo, we went to go play this team that like was mad nice. And like, yo, first possession tip off. Nigga catches the tip off, runs down the court, and just flushes it on me. And he was just like, all right, this is going to be a long night. He's like, nigga, we lost by like 45, and that was the quietest bus ride home ever. Nigga,
Just
like,
the way we'll talk.
just looking at, and even have phones there, and just looking at like, damn, son, like, oh, took that tremendous L. You know what I'm saying? But is Sunday kids still born? Is that the move? Is that the wave? Is for my kids? Should I do AAU? Should I send them to regular school? Should I do, like, I'm trying to figure out what to do here. You know what I'm saying? Because Amari is a natural athlete. I need him to be involved in some type of sport. And football is dangerous. I'm not letting my kids play football.
All right. I mean, that's true. That's fair. Because, CTE.
CTE,
I will say golf is highly underrated. Could play for like 40 years or millions.
Yeah, but if I catch your kids playing golf, I'm going to heckle them.
Yeah, that's true.
Not allowed on the course. So.
I'm going to ride. I'm waiting outside the course.
So that problem's been solved.
I'm riding outside the course and just heckle them. Like, hey, golf boy. Hey, golf boy. Hey, golf boy. You wash your balls? Huh? Huh? You got a wedge? Huh? You got a wedge? Hey, yeah, you got a wedge in there?
Huh? Is it
driving
time?
I'm driving alongside him with someone in a Maserati, like, hey, golf boy. Hey, golf boy. He's like, Uncle D's is harassing me.
What are you doing, Jesus? Stop.
What's he? Oh, are you in your bag? Your golf bag? Huh? You going to the sand trap? Hey, golf boy. Golf boy. Golf boy.
Stare daggers at you with the little quiet sign. Like, keep pushing your luck.
Oh, man.
They do a 30 for 30. They be like, yo, Uncle D's is really motivating me to be the best that I can be by heckling me in his
Tiger
Maserati.
Woods' dad was letting the fucking blicky fly when he was on his backswing. So
Yeah.
I mean, listen.
He's like, nigga, you whack.
And then I'll be like, I called you on my deathbed. I'm like, I called you golf boy because I wanted you to be better than what I was.
Nigga just holding your hand like,
He's like,
was I a good man?
let me ask you something. Was I the best bodega boy? Be honest with me.
Yes.
They're like,
nurse.
And was like, he has the flu. Like, what's going? Why is he holding your hand like that? Like, I'm going to that light, boy. I don't got much. Oh, Jesus, don't got much time on this earth.
Nurse. I think it's. Did he
Bars
take,
closing.
Did he
Where we
take
going to for dinner?
Did he take his Alzheimer's? Did he
Always
take
knew
his
they gonna put me up in Frank's.
Did he take his
Frank's
meds?
funeral home?
He's talking about funerals. He only got the flu.
Bars closing. Okay, I reloaded. Yo, episode 116.
Yeah.
Indignant rocks.
Yeah, that's right.
I'm not gonna be part of cement. I'm sorry. It's not my. I have a better purpose.
No. I'm my own right. I'm my own thing.
Yo, it's your boy Desus Nice, aka Young Chipotle, aka Pocketsy Fat Material, aka Chris That's Wrestling Dick, Eli Lippy, Butcher's Bully Goy, Slubbin' That Might Know You Bitch, Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando's Orlando, Mil Nova Santa Neventa, Quattro, and Mikel going off the Juve boss, MC Lugungun P, pulling up for 40 with your shorty. He don't talk to me in Overpool because you don't know me, I don't know you, and let's keep it that way, all right?
Come on, please.
Listen, you can only have 50 me's on the Wii.
Come on.
After that, you can't create more because you got to move some to like the gallery.
That's it.
I have 50 me's in my life already. I'm not trying to get any more.
No more me's.
I'm sorry, no more me's.
You know
The original my plus one got plus one, so don't make a fuss, son. Sorry, it's just the way it goes. These are Rossi, Jamaican Jew. We're just Jamaican Jews, you know what I'm saying? We're Jamaican and faking. We're Jews and Jews. Hey, Jermaine Avocado, Young Pocket, Go to Mufasa, Young Truck, Cooney, we're up the Coonery, aka Chili Limon, left handed reliever for the Yankees, K, okay. Vice K, Makuzaka, 3 Phone Jones, Jesus X Machina, Jake Chuck with Stanley Cup, Human Dr. Bonner's label, Dilute. One more time.
One time.
Dilute. Leonardo DiCaprio, Mr. 240p, because I like my Pinot blurry. Yeah, I like it when I can't even like make out the text. Like I don't even know what the fuck is going on.
Like what is this? All I know
is this.
It just says JJAM in the beginning.
I was like, who is this? Coffee Brown? Porn? Shout out to Coffee Brown.
Is this caramel?
DJ Woolite, aka you're listening to Watch the FM. Up next, we got 4 hours of straight from the Bay Area. It's your boy, Be Legit.
Oh, shit.
You know what it is. Put me down, baby. The Curry Goat, these are Spicy, Jamal Hashbrown, the Ashburn, the Bronx Indian, Ray and Nephew's nephew, the Moreno you cannot contain on the human memory. Word to job. Young Aaron, the racist provocateur, Hedwig Budcoast, Nelson Mandela, Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Booth, and the human world is melting in your mouth. Mr. Dex on Deckington, Ricky Tiki Squabby, Greg Popovich, Morris Sage, Richard Chetna, Mahatma Gandhi. Not mega people. I got that.
You got it.
Did you suppress what your boy never is? I am the art damn Dundada Ganoush. Normal Couple News, the Prince of Peckham, the Fashion Over Casanova. We made cents, 5 cents, 10 cents, $1. Forget the small change. Give me money. Wine. Big after my salute is Dipset. This is Saga Catch Me at Square One, top left.
Yo, don't cheese me, bro.
Trill Rizzuto, holy cow, Mr. Stop Punk. So all I do is count checks and jerk off. We got OJ Purple Soda, and it's me.
What's that? What's happening?
David Uriman. These expensive dishes. Smokeem Noah, Andrew Coonan, aka the Junior Energy God Junior. Come sit down, Mommy.
Yo, sit on it.
Call me Petco because I got your bitch on freeze.
Wine.
Hey, he's the topic of gossip and siaset.
Hey.
That's gonna be a catchy one. The Smith top of that street, you got bad breezes like I'm easy, please believe me. The black AJ ad crack your back like an automatic craft man. Mr. Salmarina and a mesh marina with a fresh misdemeanor, cold demeanor, aka your problematic baby. Leave the kids alone with your nana while we go to La Marina.
That's right. You know what I'm saying? Stick your toes in that fake sand, boy.
Yeah.
Episode 116.
116.
You know what I'm saying? 116 is a great place to cop angel dust. Just saying. It's your boy, the Kid Mero, a.k.a. the Human Durag Clap, a.k.a. Curve Guy, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Skirt Loader, hop the curb, hit your dog, nigga, keep it moving. I don't give a fuck. You know what I'm saying? Sue me later. A.k.a. I ain't a fucking baby, I'm fucking man, my nigga. A.k.a. no need to check the guest list again, my motherfucker. We beyond that, boy. We are the guest list, bruh.
Wow.
We are it. We are it, bruh. Wow. This is our event, bruh.
Wow.
We got a rap bus, nigga. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. CC Dad Bathia, a.k.a. I bought my wife a necklace at Tiffany's just because my kids wanted cake pops and Fiji water because I'm the fucking dad of the year, a.k.a. Bitch Smack Beyombo, a.k.a. D.Yo Mero Dana. You know what I'm saying? Sniffing more coke than a motherfucking factory. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Dick in your baby Motombo. You don't come in this pussy no more. This pussy belong to me now, motherfucker. Understand this, okay? A.k.a. Barrow's antenna. So smooth, I fall asleep at the wheel and design women's shoes. Yeah.
That might be scarier than you hitting the dog.
A.k.a. the Dominicans on Donna Attack Daddy. A.k.a. Swipe my card again, man. There's definitely money on it. Put the plastic bag on that shit, man. You're embarrassing us. There's a line forming. This is the express line. Hello.
Does he don't have any money on his card?
Oh my God.
He decided the showtime.
Oh my God. Look, this is what happens.
Put your phone out.
This is what happens. This is what happens.
Take a picture, send it to TMZ.
No, please.
Broke ass.
Oh my God.
She ain't got no money on his card.
Oh my God. I got grease stain on my shirt now. God damn. Oh, I dropped my pizza. Fuck you.
You got 15 items. It says 10 items or less.
Yo, but I'm splitting them in half. I'm doing 2 orders. I'm trying to use these 2 coupons. A.k.a. Romeo Santos. Romeo Santos. So Zanny, let me find out. I'll kiss a girl on the mouth or wearing a Chelsea boot. What you gonna do about it, nigga? How dare you? A.k.a. Light Now Dutchie. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes that your ass needs some showtime. You know what I'm saying? I'll switch it up because you need to get showtime and stay current with the visual art. You know what I'm saying? And if you don't, find a way. You know what I'm saying? Where there's a will, there's a way, B, and y'all gotta make it happen. A.k.a. Tom Brady, your girl got my balls deflated, you know what I'm saying? But I'm still winning, you know what I mean? And I eat ass. It's on the public record now. A.k.a. Phil the Ass Tyson, I'm gonna explore your cosmos mind, especially that Milky Way. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Fragano Messi, MVP of Gelato. You know what I'm saying? Even though I'm taking this shot to Colombia, I'm throwing 5 racks on it tonight. A.k.a. Zenio Bettyfield. I gotta get some sticks. I gotta get some sticks.
Gotta get the sticks.
You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Joe Hookah. I dare you to smoke with me at Mama Sushi. You know what I'm saying? And then do donuts right outside that shit and escape from police. You know what I mean? A.k.a. Ben Boston. My hands are gifted. I will replace your face with that of someone who is proud and grateful that 2 dirty urchins from the Bronx made good.
Hey.
Jesus Christ. Go on Pirate Bay, nigga. Share logins. Do something. Keep current with the art, you fucking bastards.
Nah, pay for that shit, though.
Yeah, pay for it, though.
Because if you don't pay for it, we don't pay for it.
You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So pay for that shit. You know what I'm saying? Make it happen. But watch it. You know what I'm saying? Because it's going to be more, and it's going to be big, and it's going to be better. You know what I'm saying? So watch it. A.k.a. I'll open your medicine cabinet because you know who it is, boy. It's the Sandman. It's coming on Ruida, Paparopo, a.k.a. Rico Sabrosa, a.k.a. Baby Nupo, a.k.a. Nino Brown, shut the car down, a.k.a. live from the Cucci Fritos on Burnside. It's the East Tremont Stevie B. I want to be the one your TT is sucking. And pulling over from 40, it's your boy, Bormello's Anthony.
For the way.
Bang! Oh, wow, it hits the back of the rim and flies into the other stands. My goodness. Shout to Lala, though. You know what I'm saying? The fashion line is looking good. You know A.k.a. from across the pond, mate. You know what I'm saying? The only Bodega Boys. The Bodega Boys are the only rock stars left. I'm passing the torch. You know, it's the plantain supernova in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont, eating little Debbie snacks just for my lunch because I'm broke. You know what I'm saying? You niggas download all my tunes on LimeWire, mate. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. if you see me at Target trying to cut the wires off the kids' iPads, mind your fucking business, man. Ain't nobody seen shit, right? Ain't nobody seen shit, right?
Just get the kids to get out. You
know what I'm saying?
He's getting violent.
Fuck out of here. A.k.a. I sold fake lean to your favorite SoundCloud rapper, man. He's high off Robitussin and Top Pop talking about skirt in the coop. I need a diaper because I poop. You know what I'm saying? Hasan, coño, tírame la pista. Que lo que mi gente llegó el hijo de FIFA, coño, el matatán en papi shampoo sin rinse, porque no estamos wash. Llegale a la grasa, la pinta está dura como una lata de Benjamin Moore de tapá. and we are locksmith every motherfucking day, B. You know what I'm saying? If Hasan is our locksmith, you should be a locksmith. You heard me?
Yeah.
Holla.
Locksmith.
116, B.
Pull up and get done up.
That's right.
Yeah. As always, shout out to Square Cash, the sponsor.
Square Cash, the gods.
This weekend, coming up, ATL.
Yeah, that's
We're
right.
gonna do the ATL stomp.
ATL, huh?
That's right.
You know what I'm saying? We're going to come out with the gas cans full of alcohol and shit.
Yeah.
We're going to be dressed like Lil Sam and Big Bo.
Yeah.
Or whatever their names are.
The two very problematic figures. Maybe, we'll do a whole show without referencing the Super Bowl.
Oh.
Yeah, catch some Bodega Boys at ATL, you know what it is? Yes, as always. No more late night show. We got the art, and we're never going to fail you with the art.
Never.
So enjoy the art. You're welcome.
You're welcome. You're all welcome.
You're all welcome, you pieces of garbage.
That's right.
We out.
Peace.